Trav Watches, what's going on today, August 26, 2021? Check this out. Gamestop. All right, let's talk about Gamestop real quick. We're going to see what the price is. If there's still too much hype in Gamestop, where in the world is the market going to go? Don't worry about it, because I'm going to speak on that today and see where in the world the price is going to go in GameStop. Because you guys can see from my price chart that the market in GameStop has continued to hold support, right? It's been maintaining support for a while, which is very great to see. You know, a lot of people would suspect that since the price in GameStop has been maintaining the support area of around, $136, $180, that the short squeeze is still applicable. Like, we can still see this price in GameStop continue to shoot up higher and higher price. Don't worry about it. I got you. All right. So we're going to talk about that today. We're going to look at our last price prediction that we did in GameStop, and then we're going to try to see if we can put on another one going forward. So hit me up. Make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. All right, so now let's talk about first what our last price prediction was in GameStop. You guys can see we played a weakness in the market in GameStop. Now, there really wasn't that much volatility in GameStop, which is kind of odd considering how much hype is placed on this market, meaning how many people are talking about it on social media, on mainstream media, everywhere you go. This is one of the stocks, one of the markets that people are talking about, right? And for the volatility to not really play out when we did our price prediction, it's pretty good in the sense that the market is not acting erratically, right? It's pretty good to see that no one is acting, being too hesitant and pulling the trigger so fast. No, they're not, which is good. So last price prediction, or shall I say our last video, was on July the 3rd, right? July the 31st. And we told you all that was going to continue to hold the market in GameStop, and we still had some weakness in the space. So there was opportunity for us to eat off this play. There was opportunity for us to win in the market against the trap right here. Okay. Now, the volume came in the market in GameStop right there on August the 3rd. Okay. And for us, volume is one of the biggest images and confirmation that we could get. The higher the volume tells us how active the market was, who came in, who played, and who didn't, right? So right here, August the 3rd was where somebody came in and played the market. You know how? Because that pretty much was the low of the price in GameStop. And then look at the reaction. The market strength came in. So on this day, the answers are already on the chart. Somebody came in and bought up GameStop to stop the movement down, because all the way until August the 3rd, the price in GameStop continued to drop in price. We stopped that on this high volume price day. So it lets us know in order to stop price from dropping, someone has to come in and buy. It's simple. And somebody big came in on August the 3rd and bought on that day. And now you can see the result. This is why you had to pay attention to these things and not pay attention to technical indicators. It's garbage. Volume and price bars is all you need. So check this out. 13.98% since our initial start of our price prediction in GameStop, we all could have eaten off of. Now, obviously, we're not there. We close up here towards our restriction line into the market in GameStop. That's not a surprise neither, because a lot of decision happens in the market in GameStop right there around $200. Now we got earnings coming up. You can see it. What's that today? What do you think the market's going to do? How do you think it's going to act on this? Because the trap enjoys these type of events, because he know that individual is going to try to attribute price movement to what happens on this earnings release, when that's not the case. The price in GameStop from the 24th went from 27.5% higher, and it wasn't because of their earnings. So why would price already go up 27.5% before this news even come out? That's the question you need to ask yourself. This is why it's important to strictly look at price and price chart only. It's because the answer has already been answered as to what people are expecting to happen on this earnings release. It's already there. So For us to see rejection coming to the market in GameStop the last 2 days above 220, I'm going to increase our restriction line right here. And I'm going to bring it up here. Okay, so this is going to be our ultimate area of restriction for GameStop. Okay, so now you guys can remember, it's good to see this price in GameStop really give us a lot of trading days in this trading range, right? We're not in a downtrend. We're not in a uptrend. The market is trading sideways. I mean, we've been trading within this trading channel ever since what, March? So pretty much the whole year of 2021, GameStop has been trading in this range. Okay. So this is the 3-day time frame. Okay. Yes, we had a fantastic move in GameStop right there on August the 20th. Very, very good to see. Now on this current 3-day price bar, we're still seeing some indication of weakness. But you know what? As long as this price in GameStop maintains itself above 170, yeah, I'm expecting the price to go higher. Okay. Did a lot of people come in on the last 3-day price bar and sell? They sure did. Which is why we need to keep focusing on 170. Or what is that, 175? This is the chart on the 5-day, right? Take a look. People are selling the market in GameStop. The volume is heavier. The price currently is closing off of the highs. Do you think that this was a real move? Do you think it was fake? What do you all think? Two weeks time frame. Let me know. Three weeks. Let me look at this on the hourly time frame. Right? Look at this. What are you noticing? The volume is definitely playing out. So we got big players into the market in GameStop right now. What do you think though? What are they doing? Are they buying or are they selling? 45-minute chart. Are they buying? Are they selling? Because I will show you this. Okay, just relax, calm down. I know you all want GameStop to shoot up there to the moon, but this is the trend. Okay, so we are trading well away from the overall trend on this 45-minute chart, right? So we can see the price in GameStop come all the way back down to 190, 188, you know, cool. But as long as price does not break this ascending line, we understand where we're headed. Higher, simple. So are you prepared to see the price in GameStop drop 190 to 180? You have to be prepared for that. Like, you have to understand that that is a likely thing that can happen due to the amount of volume and us not seeing any strength really playing out. Okay. Now, I am noticing on the 15-minute chart, 196 is being maintained as support. Do you see on the 5-minute chart? One hour. So I'm playing the strength into the market in GameStop, but I want to tell everyone, you have to be prepared to see the weakness though. You have to be prepared to let this market fall. Okay. I like the fact that it is already trying to support itself at 196, 195. I like that. But I still need to be prepared to see this price come all the way down and test this ascending line right here. So let's see where this ascending line falls on a daily. Okay. So let me draw that right here. Okay. So now I don't want to make this confusing for our community. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this line down here because the market is not trading down there. And we're going to follow the price in GameStop on these two lines. All right. Let's follow it. Simple, right? So since we're playing the strength into the market in GameStop, okay, this area will have to be support. Okay, I'm looking around $172, $170 right there. And our first area to grab some TP is going to be around $225, $220. Okay, that's the first area. The sooner that we come down and grab support on this ascending line, we already know that the play of us going higher is still there. The moment we break this descending line, not descending line, this ascending line, the moment we break that to the downside, then we understand that we're going to go lower. Okay, and that we're going to transition back over to trading sideways, so like we already been going through. That is where the play is going to happen. Either we're going to hold price alongside this ascending line to continue to trek higher, or two, we're going to break this ascending line downward and the market's going to continue to trade sideways. Either or, right? So right now we're going to play the strength into the market in GameStop, even though we are understanding that this increase in volume and how the market is giving us some weakness, we're still going to play the strength to the upside. Simple. That's it. So make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, give me your price prediction in the market for GameStop with a comment below. Hit me up. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different. I'll see you all on the next video too.